Hello my besties and amoras, welcome back to the Sexy Music Assassins YouTube channel. The Sexy Music Assassins royalty, and today's episode is about pampering with epigelium. This is about body detox or detoxification. And we all know that detoxification is for centuries, by cultures around the world. This includes the Ayurvedic, it's by the Indian historical origin, and the Chinese systems. So, detoxification is about cleansing and nourishing the body from inside and out. So by removing and eliminating toxins and also feeding your body with nutritious nutrients. Detox or detoxification can help you renew your body and protect you from all kinds of disease. And of course, renew your ability to maintain optimum health. So how does this detoxification work? This is done by removing impurities, from your body system. In the liver, where toxins are processed for elimination. You know what? It also eliminates toxins through intestines, lungs, your lymphatic system, and also skin. So this detoxification works because it literally addresses the needs of individual cells, the smallest units of human life. So we literally need to do this, okay? So in today's episode, please join me. Let's pamper ourselves by using this mineral detox, okay? It has lavandin, lemon, lemongrass, and it is enhanced with essential oils and Dead Sea salt. Need to do this, okay? So in today's episode, please join me. Let's pamper ourselves by using this mineral detox, okay? It has lavandin, lemon, lemongrass, and it is enhanced with essential oils and Dead Sea salt. So without further ado, my besties and amoras, let's start now. So I am going to fill up this tub with water, alright? Especially warm water, not so hot, or else you will burn yourself. So let's do that. First you have to push it down. So I am going to fill up this tub with warm water. Alright. Not so hot. Make sure that it is not so hot. So my besties and amoras, you will also need to buy bomb soap, okay? You can buy anything, any preferred bath soap, scented bath soaps you want. So what I bought is the winter rose, okay? So you have to drop this into warm water. So you have to allow the creamy foam to disperse, okay? The rich sweet scent of wild rose. So to add balm to a bath to soften and scent the water. So that's what we are going to do. So you can add 1 or 2 bamboo soap, okay, into the warm. There you go, my besties. And more rest. And make sure that it is warm. Make sure that it's not too hot that it will burn your skin, okay? There you go, my besties. And more rest. And make sure that it is warm. Make sure that it's not too hot that it will burn your skin, okay? So now I am going to dissolve 1/2 cup of this mineral detox that contains lemon, lemongrass, lavandin. Alright. There you go. So there you go. So now I am going to dissolve 1/2 cup of this mineral detox that contains lemon, lemongrass, lavandin. Alright. There you go. So there you go. You can also add a squeeze of lemon, right? This has a detoxifying effect too. There you go. And make sure that you don't throw this one because you can use this for your eyes. You can also add honey or anything that you want to add here. I didn't buy petals, you know. Well, you can add petals. If you want, you can put garlic, onion, vinegar, or black pepper. I'm just kidding. Okay, my besties and amoras, let's start. So my besties and amoras, let's start, alright? So this will help you flush your toxins, okay? And also it reduces some stress. And not only that, if you can sleep at night, this will help you sleep at night. It improves your sleeping habits. And also it relieves soreness, okay? You have some muscle aches, stuff like that. And also if you have some skin rashes, that will also help you, okay, heal the skin rashes. Also, if you have a headache, you can try this too. It also helps if you have like cold, stuff like that, colds, flu, and other medical sicknesses. It's just, you know, it really flushes toxins and it makes you calm and just relax, which is good. So if you also have like favorite soap, that you can use. I suggest that you use that, okay? Just like that. And also you can add Epsom salt and just rub your skin or body. Right? Just like that. So once again, you do this 30 minutes to an hour, like every other day. If you have time, if not, then 3 times a week is good enough. Alright? This will exfoliate dead skin. So if you use lotion too much, this is a must. Just like that. And also remember the lemon that I told you earlier. You can use that for either rubbing your skin, alright, or just put it on top of your eyes. You can rub your nose too, alright? Just like that. And also if you have if you use makeup too much, okay, you can also use this while doing a bubble bath, okay? It will exfoliate your skin and it will give you that radiance, natural radiance and glow that you're really trying to get. So I encourage each and everyone to please pamper yourselves. There's nothing wrong with pampering yourselves. Because if you work too much, you need that. It gives you that relaxation that you need. And it will calm your nerves and forget everything. Forget stress. Just do it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, okay? Share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. And thank you all so much for watching the Sexy Music Assassins Pampering with Epagalia. I will see you all next time. Love you. Bye. Before I forget, everyone, please don't forget to follow all the Sexy Music Assassins channels new. And don't worry, they will follow y'all back. Just join their collabs, okay? Their open posts. And please don't forget to follow them in Ismail. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I love you all so much. Bye.